Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use LedgerFlex. First, let's explore what LedgerFlex is and why it's an excellent tool for managing your finances. It's designed to make accounting straightforward, whether you're tracking personal expenses or handling small business transactions. With its user-friendly design, you can quickly grasp its core functionalities and start organizing your financial data effectively. We'll cover everything you need to get started, ensuring you feel confident in managing your money with ease. Getting started with LedgerFlex is quite simple. First, download and install the application from its official source. Once installed, open it and create a new Ledger file. This will be your central hub for all financial records. Next, set up your initial account categories. Think about common income sources and expense types, such as salary or groceries. This foundational step takes only a few minutes but is crucial for accurate tracking. Recording your daily transactions in LedgerFlex is a breeze. When you have a new transaction, simply enter the date, the amount, and a brief description of what it was for. Then, assign it to one of your predefined account categories, like utilities or dining out. For even greater detail, you can add tags such as work or personal. This meticulous entry ensures your financial data is always accurate and easily searchable, providing a clear picture of your spending. One of the most powerful features of LedgerFlex is its ability to generate insightful financial reports. Navigate to the Reports section to view various summaries of your financial health. You can easily generate an income statement, which shows your profit or loss over a specific period, perhaps 1 month or 3 months. Additionally, create a balance sheet to get a snapshot of your assets and liabilities. These reports provide valuable insights, helping you make informed financial decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.